Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the English grammar classes. In these videos, I am going to make your mind sharp in English grammar. So, I want you to listen carefully. Please pay attention. Today, I am going to cover very familiar topic, that is vowels and consonants. Here, so many of you know about vowels and consonants. But for learning our further videos of English grammar, going through basics is very important. Well, now we will begin with our topic, that is vowels and consonants. See here in the next slide. Can you see a picture here? Yes, can you see a picture here? Yes, what is that picture is about? That picture is about jumbled alphabet. So, can anyone tell me that how many alphabet are there in English? Yeah, there are 26 alphabet are there in English. Those are divided into vowels and consonants. So we will further study about the vowels and consonant in the next slides. So what vowels are there? We will see here. See, a vowel is a speech sound made by allowing breath to flow out of the mouth without closing any part of mouth or throat. Okay, what it is saying we will discuss in the detail. We will do an exercise and we will understand what are vowels. Okay, see, what are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. See, you also say with me and understand how you are pronouncing. Okay, say with me. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, after saying the vowels, what did you understood? So here I understood that when we are pronouncing vowels, tongue is not touching the top of the mouth or the teeth. And when we are pronouncing vowels, we are flowing our breath out of the mouth. Okay, what did you understood? Here tongue is not touching the top of the mouth or neither the teeth. Okay, now once again say with me, what are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, next we will see consonants. Then what are consonants? See what it is written here. A consonant is a speech sound made by partially or completely blocking the flow of air through the mouth. Okay, what it is written, I'll explain. Consonants is a speech sound which is pronounced by stopping the air from flowing through the mouth, especially by closing the lips or touching the teeth with the tongue. And it is saying that consonants are produced when we breathe in. Okay, what? Consonants are produced when we breathe in. For these consonants also, as we done the exercise for vowels, we will try here also. Okay, start saying with me. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, what did you understood? What did you understood? Okay, I will say a consonant is a speech sound that is not a vowel. Okay, understood? Which are not vowels, other than vowel, all alphabet are consonants. Understood? And in this tongue is touching to the top and touching to the teeth also. Okay, this is how our consonants and vowels are explained. Okay, now you can also try in your house how the vowels and consonants are pronounced. Okay, this is the end of our topic. If you have any doubts, please mention those in the comment box. Soon I will come with another topic. Till then, stay tuned. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe and to hit a bell icon. Please do subscribe. Thank you.